years.
Raining.
Never superheroes, Lord.
Special about us. We have more.
Watch reality then.
We're politicians.
We paint our nails. The one pedestals on ice.
I will paint it always in That's always right. And only when you see it.
And we all bring down the stories
And keep us apart.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the President of the Beijing Organizing Committee for the 2022 Olympic and Paralympic Winter Games, Mr. Cai Qi, and the President of the International Paralympic Committee, Mr. Andrew Parsons.
女士们、先生们，欢迎北京2022年冬奥会和冬残奥会组织委员会主席蔡奇先生。国际残奥委员会主席安德鲁·帕森斯先生。
尊敬的习近平主席和夫人彭丽媛女士，尊敬的帕森斯主席，各位运动员、各位来宾、女士们、先生们、朋友们，北京冬奥会圆满闭幕后，我们迎来了北京2022年冬残奥会如期开幕。在此，我代表北京冬奥组委，向来自世界各地的运动员、教练员和各位嘉宾表示热烈欢迎。2008年，北京奉献了一届有特色、高水平的残奥会。14年后，北京携手张家口，再次与残奥相约，在习近平主席亲自推动和中国政府坚强领导下，我们践行绿色、共享、开放、廉洁的办奥理念，与国际残奥委员会等方面通力合作，按照2个奥运同样精彩的要求，精心做好冬残奥会筹办工作，努力向世界奉献一届简约。北京冬残奥会将为推动残疾人事业发展，为残奥运动谱写新的篇章。让我们携手同行，一起向未来。现在，我邀请国际残奥委会主席帕森斯先生致辞。
Your Excellency Xi Jinping, President of the Republic of China, President of the Organizing Committee, Tsai Che, sport fans all around the world, athletes from all competing nations, officials and distinguished guests. Good evening and welcome to the Beijing 2022 Paralympic Winter Games. Tonight, I must begin with a message of peace. As the leader of our organization, with inclusion at its core, where diversity is celebrated and differences embraced, I am horrified at what is taking place in the world right now. The 21st century is a time for dialogue and diplomacy, not war and hate. The Olympic truce for peace during the Olympic and Paralympic Games is a UN resolution adopted by consensus by 193 member states and the 76th UN General Assembly. It must be respected and observed, not violated. At the IGC, we aspire to a better and more inclusive world, free from discrimination, free from hate, free from ignorance, and free from conflict. Here in Beijing, Paralympic athletes from 46 different nations will compete with each other, not against each other. Through sport, they will showcase the best of humanity and highlight the values that should underpin a peaceful and inclusive world. Paralympians know that an opponent does not have to be an enemy, and that united we can achieve more, much more. Tonight, the Paralympic movement calls on world authorities to come together, as athletes do, promote peace, understanding, and inclusion. The world must be a place for sharing, not dividing. Change starts with sport. Not only can it bring harmony, but it can be a catalyst to transforming the lives of people, cities, and countries. As the first city to stage both the Summer and Winter Paralympics, Beijing is a proof of this. Ahead of these games, hundreds of thousands of facilities have been made barrier-free. The venues are magnificent. The organization is extraordinary. The COVID-19 prevention and control, safe and efficient. The hospitable Chinese people have built the stage to fully showcase the best of Paralympic winter sports. Efforts to encourage and engage persons with disabilities to try winter sports have been outstanding. To the people of China, 谢谢! Paralympians, there is an important moment in your lives when, because of sport, you embrace your disability. Not as something that defines you, but something that is part of who you are. As you embrace it, you find your strength where others have seen weaknesses, and you find your own power and path to maximize what you do. If 15% of the world's population has a disability, Paralympians show to the remaining 85% that persons with disability can do whatever they want if given the opportunity. This is why the IPC and International Disability Alliance launched We the 15 alongside a coalition of 18 international organizations. Through We the 15, we want to campaign for visibility, accessibility, inclusion, and equality of rights. Every one of the world's 1.2 billion citizens with disabilities should have the same opportunity to live life to the fullest. Chasing their dreams, fighting their way through life's ups and downs, and contributing to society. As humankind, it is up to each and every one of us to commit to change, to guarantee that opportunity. Finally, Paralympic athletes, your preparation to these games have not been easy, especially due to the global pandemic. You will find the meaning of determination. You personify perseverance. Celebrate your achievements here and be proud that your abilities can and will change the world for many, many millions of people. Above all, have fun and play fair. I wish you all the best of luck. Cheer! Thank you very much. Muito obrigado. Peace! It's now my honor to invite the President of the People's Republic of China, His Excellency Xi Jinping, to declare open the Beijing 2022 Paralympic Winter Games.
我宣布，北京2022年冬残奥会开幕。